The job of farming is a complex one, and it gets done in really small windows. That's why having the flexibility of tools, like the tools we provide through Run It Your Way, is very critical to their operation.
John Deere Operations Center Pro Service is a full suite of professional technician capabilities. Whether you have an on-site technician or you like to do repairs yourself,
or have an alternate service provider do that work, these tools enable them to use it, protect it, diagnose, repair, and maintain it over the life cycle of that piece of equipment.
we like to talk about it as Run It Your Way. So if you need parts, agronomic data, repair and maintenance information, this technology is just a full comprehensive capability for your operation to serve your needs.
So now let's take a look at how Operations Center Pro Service can be used day to day.
So I'm now in John Deere Operations Center Pro Service. I can see my entire fleet here. Today we're working on this John Deere 3046R, and I've been having a few issues with it, so I'm gonna look into what's going on with this machine. The first thing we do when we wanna work on a machine is let's check and see if there's any software updates, and it looks like I've got two new updates, the instrument cluster controller and the powertrain hydro controller. So I'm gonna go ahead and download those updates. All right, it looks like those downloads are complete, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit start installation. I'm connected to the tractor with an electronic data link. For non-connected machines, that's the requirement to connect to the tractor diagnostic port. On connected machines, there's also remote capabilities with Pro Service. So I'm gonna hit connect. We're gonna begin that installation. All right, the other controller programming was successful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and switch off the ignition for 60 seconds. Now within my controller and programming history, you can see that I've updated both of those controllers, the payload, software version that it was updated with, and the tool that I used. Okay, so I've got my software updates done. I'm gonna go ahead and connect again for diagnostics. It's connecting with the entire vehicle architecture. It's recognized all the controllers on the machines so that we can perform full diagnostics on this machine if needed. Those full diagnostics include readings, recordings, tests and calibrations, anything that a technical repair manual might walk you through if you have a certain issue. One of the amazing features we have within Pro Service is this Ask AI capability to search all the manuals in the machine. For this one, I'm gonna put, how do I fix DTC? All right, it looks like it's a 6-pin connector. Right away, I recognize this component under the hood here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go check that connector, seeing if I have any pins or connectors bad and get that fixed. All right, so I found a bad terminal on that pin connector, that 6-pin connector, and I fixed that. So it looks like I have 0 diagnostic trouble codes available. I encourage you to go check out the amazing capabilities of John Deere Operations Center Pro Service. This is a professional repair tool. It's the same experience that our dealers have. You can ask your local John Deere dealer or go to deere.com/run it your way. It starts at $195 for any machine and goes up from there based on the needs of your operation.